Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce financial mismanagement with Mint, full guide step-by-step. To start using Mint effectively, first, download the app from your device's app store or access it through the website. Create an account by entering your email address and a secure password. Once signed in, connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts to Mint. Choose which accounts you want to sync with Mint, and follow the prompts to securely link them. After connecting your accounts, take a moment to explore the dashboard. Observe how Mint categorizes your expenses automatically, helping you understand your spending patterns. Set up your budget by setting financial goals and limits for different spending categories. Regularly review your budget to make adjustments as your financial situation changes. Take advantage of the transaction categorization feature to ensure all your expenses are accounted for correctly. Periodically check your spending trends and insights provided by Mint to identify areas where you may be overspending. Use alerts and notifications to stay informed about upcoming bills and potential overspending. Explore the reports feature to analyze your financial habits over time. Set specific savings goals for future purchases, vacations, or emergencies to stay motivated. Regularly update your account information to ensure Mint is reflecting your current financial situation. Consider leveraging the credit score feature to monitor your credit health and receive personalized tips. Finally, dedicate a few minutes each week to review your progress and make any necessary changes to your financial strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.